Welcome to Mr. Origami, where we turn paper into art. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for your dose of creative folds. Hello, and I'm Mr. Origami, and today we're going to learn how to make an origami turtle. Today you will need some scissors, so be sure you have them. You're going to need a square piece of paper. You're going to fold it diagonally in half. Unfold it. Pull it in the other diagonal. And you're going to fold this point up to the top. Do the same with the other side. Now fold it down. And now we're going to fold this like this. Unfold it. And now fold it to the crease you just made. Do the same with the other side. Now, this is the part where you're going to need scissors. You're going to open this and you're going to like snip on this part. Just until this part, okay? Just about there. And now you're going to fold this up to the side, just like you did to the first two legs. And now fold it to the crease you made. Now we're going to make the shell. Just shape it how you want. I'm going to make my shell big and rounded. It's your choice if you want it rounded or not. Well, I'm going to make mine rounded. And now I'm going to fold this down. And now you're going to fold this about this much. And you're going to fold it up to make a small head. And you're just going to fold this down, shape it a little bit. And now fold this in half. And you're done with your turtle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in my next video.